Okay, babes, this is the actual material that I'm using, to cut out and make a fitted dress with love arm gloves to, go to the Mariah the Scientist concert, which is in March or whatever. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. I have my print set out, which I'm going to use a dress that I already had created and made with safety pins. It's going to be something similar, just like this dress, fitted, just like this dress. And I'm going to try to to make a different detail for this red fitted dress. But, Mariah the Scientist color is red, especially on her last album, the To Be Eaten Alive, which is the tour I'm going to in Houston, Texas, and I cannot wait. And I also have my print cut out for my love arm gloves that I'm going to be making. And this is a recent love arm glove that I had made with a bra set and headband. That was a 70s like style. If you haven't checked out that vlog, I would love for you to check out that vlog that I had made on the polka dot set. And no, I did not make a vlog on this dress. This was way before I started my YouTube, but I've been into sewing since like 2019 or whatever. But what I'm doing now is just I made my mark, my one mark that I always make, and I already made my dots to the measurements that I want them. And I'm just going around and cutting around the dots and to cut the print out. So I have my love arm gloves cut out and I have my fitted dress cut out. All I'm going to have to do from here is, go ahead and send measurements to how tight I want my love arm gloves and how tight I want my fitted dress and get to sewing it, which is an easy sew. So this is the red fitted dress that I have officially sewn both sides actually. I actually got to clean it up a little bit. It's looking a little rough when I did the little up close, but this is the double stitch that I had did around the dress. I'm just about to cut, the sides and make it a little bit more neat and petite. But this is the fitted dress right here. Sorry for the noise, y'all. Y'all know I'm at my lovely grandmother's, my grandparents and my baby cousins and everybody up over here. But this is the dress, cut off with the sides. It made it neat and it really looks so slim, y'all. Like, my lovely material to make the love arm gloves. And this is going to be super easy, a super easy sew. Actually, I'm just going to go and, sew both of the sides down to my arm length and size and go from there. My love arm gloves, I'm about to go ahead and get started. I had to cut them even so I can be able to go ahead and easily sew them to my size of my arms or whatever, and the extra access. But just going to go around just like this. So far, babes, I have the dress done and one glove actually done. I haven't cut the sides or, made anything slim or petite like that. But one glove is complete and finished. And, yeah, going to go ahead and do the next glove. But these are the gloves right here. To the red set that I'm wearing to the Mariah the Scientist concert. I kind of hate how this one kind of turned out because I knotted it too much. But it really don't make that much of a big difference when I put it on, but y'all will see. But what I'm about to do next is just cut around the area and just excuse me, y'all. And just cut around the area where it's extra material and make it neat. And the finished gloves with the cut edges around it, I didn't shape them like too perfect or whatnot, but I shaped them as best as I could, as you can see. And they actually look nice when they're turned inside out. How the actual fit is looking, the extra material that I actually cut off. you know, the arm shape with the fitted dress, which is a little bit slanted. I did that on purpose. It's not going to be even. I could have made it a more dramatic slant, but I did it a little slight slant. But it still is going to be a little different. And all I'm going to do now is, you know, everything is pretty much a little cut. I still got to make sure I get all the strings and make it clean. But all I'm going to do next is just go ahead and hem the bottom and hem all the rest of the area that I need to tighten up, like the top also with the bottom, and hem the bottom and top of the gloves. Okay, babe, so all I'm doing now is using this hem adhesive iron-on, which I got from Hobby Lobby a while back, and I love these. I always use these in case you don't want to go back and actually sew and make a hem. You can use this, and it is just an iron-on. I just have my iron over here, still heating up, but I'm just ironing on and hemming the gloves right now. I already hem the fitted dress or whatever. As you can see, I hate that something actually got on it. I don't know. You know, the hem normally don't make marks or anything like that. It's just clear and you just tape it on or whatever. But I guess I had something on there. But good thing is, you know, inside of the dress or whatever. But this is the top of it, and all I did is just iron it, and I'm just letting it dry for a day or so. You know, my sewing stuff is over here at my grandma's or whatever. You know, she over here sitting on the phone. But this, all I'm doing right now is just ironing down the sleeves and the dress actually. And actually just smoothing everything out. And it's looking so smooth and clean. The outfit is, you know, finished or whatever. I did iron it and got it back from being folded out of my drawer because I kind of forgot to record, babes, and update y'all. But this is the three-piece with the gloves, the love arm gloves, and the fitted dress, the slanted detail, as you can see, the slight slant, which is so sexy detail, really to me, to be honest. But I'm really, you know, looking for some black detail to go with this because I wanted to wear some black platform boots or whatever. I thought that would be really cute with this outfit. But your girl has not had any luck looking for any black patch-ons, any cute detail. So I'm still kind of like looking around. This concert is not until March 22nd, and I'm leaving on the 21st or whatever. And I won't be leaving until like the 24th. But I have been having, you know, no good luck trying to find cute black detail, which I have like black fur, but I don't think I want to do this with any kind of black fur. I had leather. I don't know if I want to do this with leather to cut out any type of weird shape and just, you know, use the fashion glue and glue it on there. You know, it's made decisions really. And I'm thinking about going to Hobby Lobby to go look for some black detail or what I can put on this, because your girl is like kind of like dry on the details right now. Like dry on the details. So this is the finished outfit, babes, and how it's looking. I got the black leather string for the detail. I wish I could find the Asian doll photo of her in the fitted dress with the dangling strings or whatever. Because I seen a style just like this, but I can't really find the pic on Google or Pinterest or anything like that. But this is the detail. I'm gonna have to like wipe down everything because I had extra glue everywhere, but it's really washable glue. The fashion glue that I use from the Hobby Lobby or whatever. But I am digging it, and Mariah the Scientist, your girl will be rocking this outfit and showing love. Okay, babes, this is the official outfit. I am loving it. It matches with my zebra nails, as y'all can see. You know, I have the dangling strings hanging, you know, hanging down or whatever. And also in the back with the detail, as you can see, I added the black leather. Wanted to give it something different and cute. And y'all, I'm actually like recording this at the last minute. Mariah the Scientist actually postponed her date. She was actually sick and lost her voice, not feeling too well when she did the, I think after the Santa Ana performance. I'm not sure. Correct me though, but yeah, the she has been feeling, down or whatever, and I've been praying for her, hoping that she feels better because um I hate to see her keep postponing dates. But the date that I was actually supposed to go was March 22nd, which I had a good time in Houston. Actually, I just thrift shopped on the day that I was supposed to go to the Mariah the Scientist concert. I went thrift shopping. I went to go eat, run errands and all this type of fun stuff. I did get dressed, in a regular outfit, and I'm just not showing this outfit that I created for Mariah the Scientist, which I really do love. But she postponed the date to May 6th, I believe, for the Houston location or whatever. But actually, I will be seeing Nicki Minaj in May, about May 9th. So I'm just like, you know what? I just refunded and got my money back for the ticket, which is so sad. But I'm glad I got my money back. But I'm hoping sometime in the future I'll be able to see Mariah the Scientist. If it's another album that I am feeling or being called to come to and enjoy. Um, but that To Be Eaten Alive album, really was such a vibe. Especially going through a breakup. My situation with a narc. If you have not seen that video, babes, please check it out. I'm just speaking on my relationship and how I ended up with a narcissist that I didn't even know about, until I found out that I was dealing with a narcissist or whatever. But, this outfit was a whole vibe for the To Be Eaten Alive tour. Her album color was red, and I really love the red and black. I always loved red and black color. It always was such a vibe for me. And I actually love this cute ring that I got on, this clear ring that I got from AliExpress a while back or whatever. But I really am feeling this. Like, I love the sleeves and the leather dragging string or whatever, because it really gives it such a cute vibe, and it's very comfortable and stretchy as well. And what I had on with this was just regular black platform boots that I wore for my butterfly costume and so much more. I love these regular boots. These boots are like everything to me. These boots are also so comfortable to me as well. And they go with the outfit. I would really love to know what you babes think about this fit, but it's just something simple and cute. And I really enjoyed making this outfit. It didn't take me that long, probably about 2 weeks to put this together. Just this regular tube fitted dress with some fitted love arm gloves that I am so obsessed about. Obsessed. Like, yeah. And maybe I'll wear this outfit out somewhere someday for something else. I'm not sure, but I had to record it for you babes and show you babes how it's fitting and styled, and how I styled it and how it looks actually. So yeah, I really am appreciative for this, and I'm glad I got my refund back for the ticket for the To Be Eaten Alive tour, and I'm really sending so many prayers for Mariah the Scientist and pray that she is feeling much better. She also mentioned on her Instagram that this is the first time ever that she has to